Well, hello, folks, and welcome once again to the mysterious stranger in the shadows of the night. I happen to be in the forbidden zone known as. Get this? Come on, can you get it? I am in the dog park. That's Knifeville, on the corner of Somerset and Earl. Anyways, since no hooded figures have actually harassed me yet, I am safe. But anyways, yeah, we'll be doing on a 420 thing because not 420, marijuana shit. Yeah, I'm talking about the perspective on this shit. Yeah, yeah. So you're not seeing my whole screen. Kind of sucks, but it is the free version, and I figured that the 420 resolution is actually, well, since it is smaller, it is faster to load and all that, and less hassle that I have to do, especially on my system. Things are like a little fucked up and I'm still working and fixing it. Well, for tonight, or today, or whenever you actually see this happens to be at 7:12 p.m. California time. Or is it? Well, it's Nightville anyways. So, a small desert community where the sun almost never sets. Well, it's set now. And when, yeah, you know the rest. Anyways, I've been having this problem with Death Studio, and it kept on giving me the 0x0, several zeros 7B. I thought I fixed it because it changed to, now the new error is 0xC and then multiple zeros and 7B again. So, I hope I fixed it this time. I'm gonna show you what I'm trying to say. Yep, that's basically it. I get this error. I still get that error. I was like, oh, I hope you actually got to see that. It's just like, oh my god. So I couldn't be able to do anything. But since I don't have actually internet at this moment, so I can't do my bibbly wobbly magic and download a whole shitload of dills. Because I figured that my biggest problem was that the dills that I have is not enough. And I need to find more. And what I have decided to do is delete all of the Visual C++, all of it, and then reload it all back again. Why is that irritating? It is quite irritating when I have to do this. So, hoping that it will work. Yeah. Because it was like, hey, it works, and then all of a sudden, fuck you! I know. I know that the new DAS Studio, I know that's beta form, which is 4.9. I can download it because I ordered it and it was free. Free for me. And maybe even for you if you go get it at this time. But remember, it is in the beta form. So expect a lot of glitches. Whatever, Alright. Well, yeah. See, this is what I have been trying to say. See, I did put on, well, if you look at my damn hard drive. I'm supposed to get is, what is it? 32 gig hard drive. Well, since this is, HP Stream 11, they decided to fuck me over, and I get only 21.5 gigs. But most of it's actually taken up by the operating system. Fuck you, Microsoft! But yeah. Anyways. Ah, I'm going to show you a little thing. Now go into Windows, and if you don't know where your deals are, I am going to show you. Sit right back and hear a tale of a faithful trip. See, in System 32, if you never know, this is your 32, or basically sometimes like the x86 folder, such as like program files x86. If you wondered why you had to do was put in a whole mess of 32 things, like deals and stuff that you have is the same exact deals for the for 64-bit system. Well, the reason why you need both, because a lot of games out there, even new ones, still run on the 32 besides 64, but it also picks up a lot of the deals that it needs to run it that is within the 32. And you're like, why? Well, first of all, a lot of times that a certain deal only exists in the 32 format and never in the 64. Kind of sucks. But yeah, that has a thing. It really does happen. So, yeah. See, I know the .exe, blah, 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 blah. I have a shitload of them. Because that's actually part of the operating system. And then here's all the freaking deals, and it goes on and on and on and on for a whole mess of deals. See? The A's, the APIs, that's a shitload. Yeah. I did find that one of the cures, or supposedly, was it was a deal that was input 1 dash what blah blah blah, and then there was there was a few of those. I don't remember their names because it was, well, yeah. Instead of moving me, I am going to move this. There we go. That works better. Whoops. Where is it? I hit it too far. E, F, G, H. No, you damn blackguard. Sorry. C, D, E, F, G. Ah, there it is. Let's show you what I'm talking about. Where are you? Yeah, I can't understand where we find him. No shit, maybe it was another name. I don't know. Yeah, you should do a real welcome to Steam. Yeah. Yeah, not I was trying and all that shit. I know that's a horrible thing. Well, if you guess what it is, try looking up Welcome to Steam. You'll get it. Wherever. It's in here somewhere. And I can't remember what the frack it was called. But anyways, yeah, I am going to continue downloading all my deals and letting you know what has happened, and I hope you can figure out this type of problem, because I've been looking to see if this particular problem happened to anybody that has a problem with this using, let's say, DAZ Studio. That's fine. Not because of some other video game. Because if you notice, my hard drive is really tiny in comparison. A lot of games need 50 gigs just to run the fucking damn thing place it on the damn hard drive, not including more gig that, like about 3 to 4, sometimes as low as 2, but most likely they want is like 10 gigs of RAM to run the system correctly. I mean, the game and all that shite. Well, for me, I have this problem, and I've noticed others that in the gaming community have had this similar problem off and on over the years and whatever. At least since Windows 7. And I have Windows 8.1. And you're going to say, oh my god, the operating system, it sucks. No, it doesn't. Vista sucks balls. It does. It's horrible. Windows XP was fantastic. But it was glitchy and it fucked up because it's another Microsoft product. I will rant and rave about Microsoft another day. Till then, signing off. See you somewhere in the wastelands of tomorrow, the present, or in the past. Or maybe I'll just run into you in Nightville. Good night, Nightville. Good night, Internet and the interweb.